Before you begin installation, remove all pieces from the carton. Leave the screen surface inside its packing tube until it's time to install it. Lay out all sections of the frame and match the numbers printed on the back of each piece. Make sure the snaps are facing upward. To assemble the screen frame, slide the ends of the frame onto the corner brackets for the top section. A rubber mallet may be used to gently tap the sections together if needed. Fasten the pieces using the provided 1/4-20 machine screws. Hand tighten the screws, or use a drill on a low setting to avoid deforming the frame. Repeat this process for the middle connection points on both the top and bottom sections of the frame, securing each one with the same machine screws. Next, attach the wall brackets to the wall. When the finished screen is mounted, each bracket should be more than 6 inches inward from the outside frame sections, but less than 1/4 of the overall frame width. Whenever possible, mount the brackets into wall studs for stability. Begin with the bottom brackets to establish the desired base height. Next, rest the empty frame on these brackets to mark the locations for the top brackets. Remove the frame and then drill and secure the top brackets to the wall. Before handling the viewing surface, it is best practice to wash your hands. When working with TechVision materials, Draper strongly recommends using the provided white gloves to protect the surface. Remove the viewing surface from its cardboard tube and carefully unroll it onto a clean cloth or clean paper to prevent damage. Lay the frame flat on a clean surface with the snaps facing up. Position the viewing surface gently on the frame, making sure the viewing side faces up, away from the snaps. Begin fastening the material by securing the 3 corner snaps at each corner. Once the corners are set, attach the remaining snaps around the perimeter. Finally, position the completed screen between the wall brackets and fasten it in place using the provided self-tapping number 10 screws. Your installation is complete. If further support is needed, please contact your dealer or Draper Incorporated at 800-238-7999.